No, Alex, that's not for you. That's for Keeper. Come on, Alex. Alex, come feed Keeper. Hey. Come on. Good job. Give him the other one. Yay, good job. Can you go get more? Keeper, what do you say? You like that?